Zach. Anyways, morning. Morning, y'all. So, yeah, there's nobody here, but still, morning. For any of the YouTube moderation watching, hi. Cause I know you're gonna be watching this after. So, yeah. But anyways, gotta wait for the people of the game. Wait for the people playing the game. I'm just making this announcement real quick. I'll update Click the Bat after the holidays. Because during the holidays, what's the point in updating Click the Bat? Because Click the Bat doesn't make sense to update if there's really... the whole point of it is just to get a whole bunch of copies of it. And it's also old copies, so that's even more cooler. Unless they need a bug fix or something, I'm not gonna update it yet. Oh, I am a gummy bear. Yes, I'm a gummy bear. Anyways, let's see. I might make other games though. Don't think that doesn't mean I won't make games. No, I might be working on some other games. Always just remember that not everything is connected, but not everything is disconnected either. So whenever I say something, maybe that thing might happen as well. Who knows? Maybe the other version of it will. Only time will really tell. Let's see. What's the coding language, y'all coders? What's the coding language, y'all coders? Coders. Decoders what a time. Decoders what a time. Oh, looks like you lost signal. Oh, which finally some people showed up. Hello.
Don't worry about it.
Actually, it doesn't say your first anymore. Anyway. I believe it was a tie. Good morning, USA. I got a feeling that it's gonna be a wonderful day. Hello there. And also, I believe that both the egg and you both had a tie on who was first. So yeah. Also, there's 11 people viewing. That's nice. The entertainment industry is very nice. Is all I gotta say about this one. Oh, I should probably just create the script first. There we go. Now let's see, senor. I begin to sing this song so that me and plastic can make me shine. Like a dollhouse for his eyes. Like a dollhouse fiction time. It's something that's there and then me and plastic make me shine. Like a dollhouse for your design. Make a doll of sticks and twine. I can call you master, you can call me my me and plastic. Boom, 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 boom. Follow your design. Wrap me in plastic. I'll come at the door. Follow your design.
Oh. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. I'm gonna know the truth. On the inside, on the inside, on the inside out, out, out. One, two, there's 9 people watching. One, two, there's one person liking. One, two, there's one person timing. Because you ramen ramen. Oh, 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 oh. Ooh, woo, 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 ooh, woo. I can't remember what happened in September. Every pony died and along in the sun. I discovered the ponies were defeated by something very wrong. Back and came out of this world. I can't remember. Defeated by something very wrong. Looking too long into this world. Oh, I can't remember what happened in September. Every pony died on my side. I discovered the ponies were defeated. Also, by the way, if you're trying to find a pattern, there is no pattern in my video making. I just make them for fun. So if anybody thinks there's a pattern, reality, there isn't. Just telling you that right now. Looks like the show has just begun. You could say, but it hasn't. Every show, every time, repetitive. Hello there. 1-0, 1-0. Bruh, it's turning into binary now. Who's watching, who isn't? Oh look, there's two people here. Two people here. There's two people watching it here. Two people here. How many of my fans? How many of them dance? How many of my fans? Many of my fans? How many? How to dance? How many? How many? How many? How many? What the? What the? Where did that come from? I'ma be a papaya, I'ma be a sapaya. Sim bum bum ba beer. I'll be a pneumonia. You're a papaya, I'ma be a sapaya. Sim bum bum ba beer. Pneumonia, I'ma be a papaya, I'ma be a sapaya. There is nobody in there. Of course there isn't anybody there. Yeah. Detection algorithms, the time. First, we turn everything into time. Then we turn drop in time. Then we go round and round, time the whole time and count it right. Everything you ever seen, everything. No walking into the you walking into the you walking into the you walking into walking. Hello there. Worried about what you're thinking. Worried about control. Anybody to take and roll. 1987. Five Nights at Freddy's. Is this where you wanna be? I just don't get it. Why do you want to stay? Five Nights at Hello there. La 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 dum da dum da 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 dum do da White eyes at Eddie's. Is this who you wanna be? Hello there. I see there's one person viewing. to do 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 do. Bring more people around, bring more people to sound, bring it, bring it, bring more people around, bring more people to sound, bring it, bring it, bring it, bring it, bring it, bring it, A bring it, bring it, bring it, bring it, anyways. Okay. What's the motto here? Oh yeah, you gotta put your hands on your knees, and you gotta put your hands on the cheese, and you gotta go to geometry, go wanna be, go by be, everything round, pound, round, count, can, now, and you gotta put your hands on your knees. Oh yeah, I forgot. X. Oh yeah, silly me. Z is just how big something is, whenever you're thinking of a 2D plane. So whenever I do set size to 100%, then I change that to like 50%, then that means it's 50% of the original size. Forgot that's how that worked. Silly me. How did I just remember that? But that still didn't help me use this pearl and noise. Except for. Oh, wait, no, it does! Wait. A little, because I can just. Oh. Oh, I see how I could use it. Use a Pens Plus, or Pen Plus it's called, which actually includes a normal pen version. Hello. Then we just draw a dot at those places, but then we use the normal pen version part. Then we just do this, set brightness, actually we set saturation. We could take our vector, which would be our x and y, x and y. Then you gotta put your hands on your knees. You gotta just down, and you gotta put your hands on your knees. Sit down, hands, hands on your knees. Then you gotta put your face down. You gotta put your hands on your knees. Hands, get them, hands, get them, hands, get them, get them, hands, get them, get them, get them, get them, get them. Yeah, you gotta put your hands on your knees. You gotta put your fists on that. Hey, you gotta put your hands on your knees. You gotta put your fists on that. Hey, you gotta put it. Hey, you gotta put it. Hey, you gotta hey, you gotta put your hands on your knees. You gotta your face goes back. Oh, you gotta put your hands on your knees. You gotta put your face on back. Okay, so we do it. X, Y, and Z is our size. So we can just take looks and take our size. So we got 100. Let's see. See, so like, random position. No, I'm not gonna add a Q&A sticker. Thanks for suggesting YouTube. Hola. Let's see. Me as I'm also just experimenting with some stuff. So let's see. Me as I'm using Penguin mod, which is a mod version of Turbo Warp, which in turn is a mod version of Scratch. So I'm actually experimenting with some stuff. Saturation, you know what? Maybe we should color instead. Oh, I see the problem. Okay. We have to not round this. It's not rounding. We don't need to round it. You need to times it instead. By like 100. Or G for 1000. Because then it actually gets you third. Get that place. Then we round this. If my talk is a little too mathematic for y'all, sorry, I'm just coding. Oh, I forgot. I could just turn this to a pure white before I do anything. There we go. Then whenever it does that, then it should. Okay, what's the problem here? Hmm. Oh, I see a problem. Oh, you guys have the pen size to 2. Not 2. 100. No, that's way too bright, actually. What? I mean, saturation is what? Okay, yeah, saturation is one thing that's changed. What? You can also change brightness. Yeah. There we go. Okay. Let's see. So I randomize the seed. You have to use this, which is an algorithm we can use to check. Then for this one, we can just do times. Actually, wait, how long is the length of this list again? Oh yeah, I forgot. That's how long the list is. Okay, so we just do. That works. You didn't just mod it by that plus 1, which actually makes it so I can only go to such a number. Boom. Now I get V, a value, V. There we go. Now I can get that instead. Then turns into processing. Then we just do that. So we could do it like this. Every one of those values. Plus the size, which equals to our Z, so we could use Z to our advantage. And then now, since we're using Z, and we just round it. Okay, that's cool. Now, we can then, over here, we already did brightness. Maybe we should do saturation this time. See what saturation does. Ooh, that's cool. So depending on the size and depending on where it is, do saturation. Okay, so then we can do color. Set color. To we set color 0 to 100. It makes these cool color effects, yes. And when we use that, basically just turns into that. She looked very familiar. Oh, I know what that looks like. Those little speckles there. Those little speckles kind of look like Cool Ranch Doritos. I just realized that. Bro, I accidentally made a Cool Ranch Dorito rendering. Anyways. Let's see. So this should... It's not going to be TV static. It actually is controlled static. Let's see. Only one person here. I wonder who the one person is. Oh well. Let's see. So we got colors. Is this? Gotta check to see if my phone. No, my phone's not that hot. Okay. Actually, depending on the size, maybe we can just do size equals size of pen. That sounds cool. So we set the size. Which will now equals Z. Beautiful, actually. Gee, we could print a white dot on top of each dot. Turn it into a ball. But that doesn't seem like it would be a good idea. Set a size of 5. Or actually, set this pen size from your 5, your 1 to 5. Perfect. Let's see. Oh, hello there. I wonder why that could be. Wait, hold up. Where do I know that name from? Where do I know that name from? So I knew that. I didn't even know you had a YouTube channel. What the? Anyways, I'm developing a little rendering engine right now. I'm developing a rendering engine that renders the background for my next Click the Bat game. I'm actually working on a render engine for my next Click the Bat game, so that's, yeah. That's a thing. We'll see. This Click the Bat game will be a different version, but right now this is just a rendering engine for the background of it. The background is normally a thing that lags everybody's computers. It doesn't lag you on mobile, by the way, which is even more funny to think about. Because if you're on mobile, you're not gonna get lag. But then you're on a computer and it's like, hello, lag. No, my stream is not private. uh, but it is set to not kid friendly, so yeah. I actually already did. You just missed them. You missed it. I had like 11 viewers. Yeah, I know what you meant. You had 11 viewers, and you already missed all of them. Actually, I had more than 11 because, yeah, over the time. But you already missed all of them. Do 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 do. Anyways. Let's see. So this render engine is gonna be like it's gonna be a mix between the Click the Bat remastered and the Click the Bat light version. So let me see. I already made the render engine for the background. That one was easy. Now I gotta mess with the rest of the engine because the engine already has one part of it built. It'll process some stuff in the background just as a little fun little thing. Boom, boom, up. Then we take all these. You don't need all this. We don't need vectors right there. You don't need the vectors. Vectors. Anyways. And then we set that up. And here's the background. We just erase all whenever we start it. Didn't process everything. The processes. Well, we don't need to show it though. We don't need. So can I actually just hide this sprite? I'm pretty sure. It'll still just. Yeah, that runs much faster now. When I show it, it doesn't run as fast. But when I hide it, it runs very fast. I cannot share my screen on that part, but hold up. I can. Okay, I figured out a new thing. Run that in the background. Good to know. I'll share my screen on Discord later. I'll go on Discord later. Yeah. See, so first it renders everything, then it has to do that. Yeah. We can actually do it always here instead, which then always hides it. That saves us the hassle of needing to put all that stuff, the engine stuff. Stop the script. And whenever we start it, takes a little while to load, but once it loads, boom, the background starts rendering. So, restart it. 3, 2, 1, 0. It'll do a spike at the beginning, but that spike then just goes down. So now we can clean up blocks plus, push OK to get rid of all the reporter blocks we don't need. Don't look for any blocks. Ah, okay. How did that? You know what? I'm gonna question why I put it all the way over there. Okay, now I can, instead of doing whenever the flag is clicked, we can just put that away and instead of go to events, and then in events we can do, what do we put via events? We put when I receive message 1. I'll see you then. Yeah, still. Okay, now we can work on the bat part. Okay, so click the bat. This time we're actually going to use some special things. So when spacebar is pressed, it'll actually use the only thing, no. She's going to make it so that way this can work on console. How about that? How about we find the controller gamepad thing, and then we can make it work on console as well. So you can check. So I guess you do D-pad up, D-pad down, D-pad left, and D-pad right. So I don't want anybody to get and think that they're not gonna be able to play this. We can also get is role playing on mobile. It's just built in Penguin mod. Boom. Can then change that there. Okay, so we can add. Since most browser games do not work on console since they use mouse, we can actually fix this problem. How do I fix the problem? Simple. I add a ball. What does this ball do? Well, it reacts to whenever one of these is pressed. So up, down, left and right. So it's left and right. So I get D-pad up, D-pad down, D-pad left. That's D-pad right then. So we can do D-pad right. Go over here. And D-pad left goes over here. You're gonna key the while loop, which then does while. That is true. Yeah, and we can check is it connected. When it's connected, we can do that. Then when it's not connected, also we can use the A button as our select button. Check. So now we can actually use A button like so. When we push A, pushes that. Is it connected or is it connected? No, it's one or the other. Boom. If not connected, we hide it. If it is connected, we show it. When push A, check if sprite is touching. If sprite is touching the other sprite, so it's bar. Oh yeah, I forgot. There we go. That's right. And it only pushes the A button one. What has bar? Is it A button? Well, bar. Yeah, it's basically gonna say it's true or false. And for that, we can use else label if it is, and we can just you say broadcast a message. We can make a new message called A. So we can broadcast A to the. There you go. Want to do that? Should then work like yep that. He did this. Some work. Okay, good, good, good. So like when we push A on the pad, and you're touching, it'll send A. Or if you want. So let's check if. So let's check it if. So that way we're not faking this stuff. It's gonna be me. Okay. Now up, deep power up will just change our storage. Let's see. So this deep head down and up. Okay, good. Now I can test this. Y by 5, that's up. -5, that's down. What does message A do? What message A is broadcast message that gets broadcast. So now we actually have controller support. If then else if. Then we just do this. Do that. Now it's always hidden if we're not using it. Boom. Now that means click the bat. Doesn't have a controller input yet again. We can actually, is this one, then we can actually get rid of these, by the way. You don't need those ones. B would be the back button, which means it would have to be back button, but yeah. B is back. It's got mobile control. Check if then else. Then we check that. Now with broadcast message 1. What these will broadcast message 1. Or it's message A or B, but still. It's just checking if you're on mobile or not. Check. Once right clicked. Boom. This will not be the animation part yet. Animations are different. When I receive message A, we can also stop the script, by the way. Whenever we receive message A, go to random position. Set key value. This will actually be compatible with some of the older version, the oldest version I clicked about. Set that the score, set the score. Score by 1. Also going to use this to change the color of it to match the old version. I click that's color scheme. I can actually add a gradient. That needs to be a black. No, that's where the gunmetal gray goes. Wait, hold on. I can just do this angle of. That is perfect. 0-degree angle. Makes this perfect color scheme. Boom, boom, boom. Border. The border can just be transparent. Gee, wait. No, the border can be a dark black. Perfect. Set the very background. Actually, I think we can set the variable's background to a gradient. Make it more black. Gray will hit a different angle. How about a You just say exactly 225. That is actually perfect. That's, by the way, the animations are not input yet. We can input the animations. First, it starts at D. Wait until the Go song gets. And we actually gonna put wait until Go gets input. Include one. Oh yeah, I forgot. Let's let the broadcast message one. Hello there. Let's see. So you check the length of this. Length of this one. Yeah. Load. Yeah. We lost them. Oh no. Oh yeah, by the way, you can become a trusted connection on my Roblox. Just go to my community post or just to my post in general, and then you could just scan the QR code, and then yeah, just so you all know. Wait 1 second, I got there. Oh no, we lost him. No. You can't, you can't fire me. I quit. You can't quit. You're fired. How does that work? I don't know. Let's see. So broken. Yes. Okay. So we do that. Now whenever this starts. Hello. Oh yeah, I forgot. If it's an if statement. Boop boop boop. Boom. Then we do. Boom. Or until the sprite is actually tapped. I think bro is lagging. Oh no, I think bro's lagging though. Donkey is this to the Yeah, bro is lagging. Bro, it's Kermit the Frog. Kermit the Frog. I'll check it out. Probably. I don't know. I don't know if I'll check it out. We'll see. This is a more compact design. I should remember this. Yeah, it's much more compact design. Cause it uses wait until, and then if then statement. So that means this makes it more compact, making it smaller. Then we can check this stuff. Got score. Yeah, we actually have to put this here. Or yeah, wherever. Wherever. Yeah, then watch. Why are we here? You just showed yourself. You just showed yourself at that point. Bruh. You said don't show you, but you just showed yourself.
Okay, move the phone so I can walk by.
You just showed yourself. You're gonna show. If you're gonna walk that way, you're gonna show yourself again. I'm developing something. Ah. Krusty Krab pizza is a pizza for you and me. A pizza is a doo-doo pizza. Whoa. Krusty Krab pizza is a pizza, yeah. For you and me. Okay. Kermit the Frog. Nice. Wait, you have Roblox? Bro has Roblox. Squirrel has Roblox. Why wouldn't he have Roblox? It's Roblox. Okay, so that needs 2 of these actually. And then this has to wait until this finishes. Gonna hide my wings tonight. Before you start a war, you better know what you're fighting for. Oh baby, you're all that I adore. If love is what you need, soldier I will be. Oh, I'm an angel with a shotgun, fighting till it was one. I don't care if heaven won't take me back. Oh, I'm an angel with a we can broadcast message B and see what B does. We'll do this, so we broadcast message B. We can actually maybe just do it like this. No. Wait. Do a repeat while and then put a not gate there, put a not. Logical not. We just put a not here. Wanna hide my wings tonight for start a war. You better know what you're fighting for. Baby, you do what you need, a soldier I will be. Oh, I'm an angel with a shotgun, right until there was one. I don't care, take me back. Oh, I'm an angel with a shotgun, right until there was one. If heaven won't take me back, then I wanna hide my wings for a star war. You better know what you're fighting for. So baby, you're all I adore. Love is what you need, soldier I will be. It's basically the same thing. What this was doing. This is actually set up to broadcast message. Whenever the sprite is clicked, or tapped, what's this right here? So like that, okay. There's one of our first algorithms of the whole game. Now we can do start this script. We can do a stop the script and a whole bunch of these. Actually on the outside a whole bunch of these. Now watch. Now I have to wait. Yeah. Let me move it right.
You'd be doing the grass.
Well, I'm actually almost gonna be done.
Yeah, I'm walking by. Move it.
Yeah, I know. That's why I already moved it. And it still somehow got you. What the heck?
Yeah, it's because of the camera.
I know. That tile's there. You know, we can just do this. So we can get rid of all these. And we have to make sure that whenever we do start this back up, whenever we restart the game, what are we actually doing? We're actually loading back up our score from our storage. The score. It's loaded from local storage. So set score to this. Check score. Not equal to that. Yes. If then, else we put 0. When we load this, boom. Boom. Now it just works. Clean this up real quick. We can look here, see if we need to clean up anything. Yeah, nope. Boom, that's a new click to back game done for that. The only catch you add, if you want to, you add the rainbow, but click to back's rainbow sprite is actually just meant to be there for fun, not really for the party game that is used. Go to random position, and then stamp on the ground. Jump, 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 move around. We're jumping all around. Ba, ba, da, 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 da. All around. All around. Jump, jump. That is perfect. Please stop it all. I guess that didn't include this one. I forgot about that. This is actually on an always loop, so we have to take that off the always loop. Put this in a forever loop. So that forever loop only starts when she missed one. Stop. Does she actually have to do this? Hide the sprite. Hide. Sprite 1. Then when I restart it, it will show everything, but we're also gonna hide score. Making stuff, yep. The inverse of what this does is actually on the secondary. So you're gonna have to show my variable. Sorry, ball, we don't need to hide. There you go, show score. And when we also start, it should also show the bat. In other words, how will we play click the bat if we don't have a bat showing? Bat. Boom. And it's already done. So it's that simple. That's just the click the bat game. Now, I guess one will take a little while longer because this one's actually just a click the bat game. For that. Anyways, see y'all.